Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create captions on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to record myself saying something and I'm going to add in the captions later. So I'm just going to select my input device here and I'm going to press this red circle to start recording. And I'm going to say something random for the caption later. I'm just going to press this to end recording. And once you're done, just close this. You can adjust the volume here. And then to add in captions, I'm just going to go to text, go to auto captions and select create. Make sure you chose the right language too for it. And then press create, and it's going to create these captions, these auto captions for you. You can edit it, like the size, and even go here to add in more captions. For instance, I'm going to press enter and it's going to split it here. And then again for this one, and then on the first one you can go to text and scale it. It's going to do it for all of them, as you can see. And then also the font you choose will also be applied to all of them. For instance, this one. And also like the styles, it's going to be applied to all of them. So yeah, that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!